Hello guys, this is Tech, and as you've seen in the title, yes, I'm gonna update today my setup. I was waiting for this. I just could do it this year. Why? Because I cannot spend a lot of money in one time, so I waited for Black Friday to buy this. It was in a really affordable price. I'm gonna leave the link in the description, but you will see what I've got and what I'm gonna update now on the setup. Let's check it out! Okay guys, as you can see, here we got the Ultra HD 4K Optoma. Do you know what this means? Do you know what is this product? Leave me in the comments if you know it. If you don't know, this is a 4K video projector. I bought this because I've seen a lot of reviews. I was expecting to buy one, to update my one. My one is Full HD, but it's already 5 years old. So, as you know, in the technology, 4 years is too much. Your video projector was the video projector I had. The colors were not really nice. The brightness was not great. So I had to buy this one. And if you are watching, for example, for a price range, good quality and a good price range, this will be without any doubt your choice. But let's open and see the product. So as you can see, we already unpack the video projector. Just let me say you that this is a 3D project tool. You've got the version HD50. If I'm not mistaken, it's HD or H50. I don't know for sure. But that one doesn't have 3D option. This has, so the price range is higher. I tried to find in Amazon this version, the lower version, because I do not need, or I do not even see 3D content. But anyhow, if you find the H50, it will be exactly the same. The image will be exactly the same. The only thing is that it's white. It doesn't give you 3D, but the price is lower. What you've got in this projector, as you can see, you've got the zoom of the lens. You can control here the zoom of the lens. You got the options menu here. Of course, you've got this small remote control, which is really awesome. As you can see, really simple. You've got the Ethernet connection, USB for Alexa. Oh yes, it interacts directly with Alexa. HDMI 2 ports, version 2.0, so it's great. A VGA, audio in and out. One thing, this has speakers too, but I think nobody uses speakers on the video projector. And a USB for media reader. This means that it's got an Android media player, so you can play directly by a pen, inserting a pen or a hard disk on it, and you can play directly your files via this USB 3.0. One other thing that I must say, I bought this on UK, but it was great because since I'm Portugal, I use different connections to the AC power, and they sent this cable too. Well guys, we've seen basically everything from this project. Now we're gonna see the difference between one image and the other one that I have on my setup, and you will tell me what do you think about the difference, and speak about the difference that we'll get in both of the images. I'm gonna try out both of them with light turn on, okay, with some light turn on, and as you know, with totally darkness, to see the results we have in each video projector. Let's check it out. So you've seen the difference, and I must say that I cannot replicate the image quality that you see on camera into the real world here, okay? So I'm gonna tell you that the image you saw in the camera, here you see it 10 times better, because my Full HD, it's not awful image, it's really, really great. But in the camera, I don't know why the image doesn't have great quality. I don't know if it has to do with the mode that I've recorded on the camera. I don't know, but you can see that Full HD and 4K are totally different. For me, it was one of the best images I've seen in a video projector. So if you are thinking in buying this video projector, I'm just gonna tell you 3 cons that I have against this video projector. One, it's the Android system. You can only play media files on it. You cannot install Netflix. You cannot install any Kodi, any application from Android. It's basically a media player, Android system with media player. You cannot connect it by wireless. You have to have I think you have to buy something extra to implement on the video projector to be able to connect it to wireless. And the sound quality of the external speakers that this video projector come in, built in, it's a sound. You don't have, if you want a real sound, you will have to have a sound bar or something like 5.1 sound system, surround system, so that you can enjoy the real immersive solution you will have with this video projector. Guys, just leave me in the comments what was the difference that you saw. What do you think about this video projector? I think I already know the answer, but was it greater? What do you think about the image? Did you like the video projector? Would you buy this kind of video projector? I don't know, just leave me in the comments. Hope you liked the video. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, subscribe to the channel, follow me there on Instagram, and as always, bye bye and see you soon. Whew, what an outstanding image. Hello,